सुनो ना
we can't say what is it still under investigation. So bomb squad still on the job, then CSU still on the job. So we can't say what is, but some kind of blast is there.
But what was the intensity of the blast?
That we don't know. The bomb squad still analyzing the situation. No people around.
Any vehicles damaged?
Damaged or anything?
No, no vehicle, no people around, no vehicles. I mean, not much damage.
Sir, but we have seen one car was the damage a bit.
As I tell you, our team are still on the job. So right now I can't give you any detail. Okay, we are still on the job. Okay, so when we get detail, we'll give you. Right. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay.